Hey traders, Siren crypto has crashed over 92% this week and is now trading around $0.09 to $0.11. The big question is this the start of a real recovery or just another bull trap? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, member-requested chart analysis is now available on our Patreon page. Get 50% off your first month for a limited time. Check the link in the description and bio. As always, do your own research. This is not financial advice. Now, let's get into the chart analysis.